Don't buy any Apple Watch model right now. Yes, I'm serious. Put that finger away from the Add to Cart button on Amazon. Why? Because in just a few weeks, Apple is holding its September event, where they're going to reveal not one, not two, but 3 brand new Apple Watch models. These upcoming releases are set to be better than ever, so don't make a purchase just yet. First, let's dive into the new Apple Watch SE. I know it's the most affordable model at $250 and is targeted towards kids. But Apple has a surprising update this year. According to Mark Gurman, one of the most reliable Apple insiders, Apple is switching from aluminum to plastic for the new SE models. You might think this sounds like a downgrade, but it's actually part of a clever strategy. Remember the iPhone 5C? It was all about vibrant colors and appealing to younger users. That's the same approach Apple is taking with this new SE. Check out these renders I found on Twitter. Aren't they stunning? If I were a kid, I'd be thrilled with these colors. The shift to plastic allows Apple to potentially lower the price. Imagine if the base model costs just $150 or $200 instead of $250. Plus, this new SE will feature an upgraded display, a faster chip, and improved Bluetooth specs. This makes it a fantastic option for parents looking for a more affordable smartwatch for their kids, especially since it will allow them to call, text, and track their location without needing a full iPhone. Next, let's talk about the Apple Watch 10. While we won't see the much-anticipated redesign of the band system this year, Apple is still making significant updates. The new Apple Watch 10 will feature larger displays. The 41mm model will now be 45mm, and the 45mm model will become 49mm, similar to the Ultra model. But don't worry, you won't need to pay the Ultra price. Expect the new model to be priced around $400 or $450. This upgrade will include a new chip based on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm technology, which should offer better battery life or potentially a brighter display. If you're thinking about buying an Apple Watch now, you might regret it when you see the new, larger displays in just a few weeks. The bezels will be thinner, making the watch look sleek and modern. Finally, for those who love the Apple Watch Ultra, get ready for the Apple Watch Ultra 3. While the design might not change dramatically, there's talk of a new space black color option. This color has been leaked for months, and it's likely Apple held it back to debut with the Ultra 3. This could be a major selling point for the new model. The Ultra 3 will also feature the new chip, updated Wi-Fi specs, and better battery life. If you're about to buy the current Ultra model, you might want to wait for this new version to be unveiled. The Ultra 3 is expected to offer all the same improvements as the Apple Watch 10, plus some exclusive features that could make it worth the wait. So, if you're content with your current Apple Watch, it might be wise to hold off until 2025. That's when Apple is expected to fully redesign the band system with new, electronically powered, magnetic bands. These new bands will come with extra features and a fresh design, making it worth the wait if you're not in urgent need of a new watch. I'm excited about these upcoming models, especially the new SE and Ultra 3. I think they're going to be big hits with vibrant colors and impressive new features. What do you think about the upcoming Apple Watches? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.